Hey, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be announcing giveaway number 5. This time it's going to be a Jack Eichel Young Guns rookie card from 15-16 Upper Deck Series 2. I recently pulled this from one of my breaks and thought this would be a nice giveaway. This time it's going to be a time-based draw. So on December 25th, Christmas Day, we will announce the winner. So what are the rules? First, you got to be a subscriber to the channel. 2, you got to like this video. 3, we're going to change it up a bit. I saw this on one of the other channels for one of their giveaways, and I thought it was a great idea. I want you to leave a shout out to a different YouTube card breaker that you watch. Doesn't have to be hockey. It could be baseball, football, basketball, Pokemon, whatever. Let's spread the word, and hopefully we can help other channels grow as well. So just put one of your other channel that you like to watch. The contest will close on Thursday, December 24th at 11:59. And the winner will be announced the following Friday, which will be Christmas Day. One of the stipulations I'd like to see is that the winner must respond using the same YouTube account that they entered with, the draw with. This just makes it easier to verify that the card is going to the right person. Okay, so once in December 25th comes up, all the entries will be put into random.org. I will randomize the list 5 times, and the name at the top of the list will be our winner. And then I will ship that card out by Canada Post with track shipping. So basically, it's the same as what we've done before in the past, just different card and a different way of trying to spread the word here. So again, if you're interested in entering this contest, please do so at the bottom of this video. And all the winners, or the winners, will be drawn on Christmas morning. So for everyone who enters, good luck, and thanks for watching.